Assalamu alaikum. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Supernova is when a star explodes. The shape of our Milky Way galaxy is spiral. The smallest planet is Mercury. The coolest planet of solar system is Neptune. According to International Astronomical Union, there are 8 planets and 5 dwarf planets in our solar system. Moon is called satellite of Earth because it revolves around the Earth. Comets revolve around Sun. Jupiter is larger than the Earth, about 10 times. The fastest planet is Mercury. Venus orbits around the Sun in the backward direction from east to west. The planet which revolves very slowly around the Sun is Neptune. The planet with shortest daytime is Jupiter. The first Chinese national in space was Yang Liwei. The first Chinese national to walk in space was Zhai Zhigang. The first Polish in space was Miroslav Hermaszewski. The first Romanian in space was Dumitru Prunariu. The planet nearest to the Earth is Venus. The brightest planet in solar system is Venus. The energy generation in stars is due to fusion of light nuclei. Sun is located approximately at the center of the solar system. Uranus is the planet in the solar system which rotates on its axis from east to west. The planets are kept in motion in their respective orbits by gravitation and centrifugal force. Lunar eclipse does not occur every month because the moon's orbit is not all the time in the same plane as the Earth. Lunar eclipse is caused when the Earth comes between the Sun and the Moon. First Canadian to walk in space was Chris Hadfield. First Cuban in space Arnoldo Tamayo Mendez. Solar eclipse occurs when moon comes between sun and earth. Bodies which usually fall from the sky on the earth are called meteors. Comets are luminous celestial bodies moving around the earth. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west due to rotation of earth on its axis. The mass of moon in comparison to earth is 1/18. The rising of evening star indicates the west. The time taken by Uranus to revolve around the Sun is approximately 84 years. Jupiter has the maximum number of satellites. Light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. The shape of Earth's orbit around the Sun is elliptical. A solar eclipse occurs on full moon day. The zodiac signs are houses of the heaven are named after star signs. Lunar eclipse occurs only on a full moon day. The European Space Agency has recently sent its first spacecraft to the moon named Smart 1. In 1969, man first stepped out on the moon. On October 4, 1957, the space age began with the launch of Russian Sputnik 1. Operation Pathfinder is a mission to Mars. Neil Armstrong is the first astronaut to set foot on Moon. Apollo 11 spacecrafts enabled man to step on the moon first. The first Malaysian in space was Sheikh Muzaffar Shakur. The first person in space was Yuri Gagarin. The first Saudi in space was Sultan Salman Al Saud.